In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a video in Runway ML. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the editor, bring in your footage, and apply clean, professional edits using built-in tools like adjustments, filters, and effects. First, head to the Runway ML website in your browser. Once you're on the home page and inside your workspace, look for the option labeled Video Editor. This is where all the editing features live. Click it to open a fresh editing workspace with a preview window, a timeline, and a left-hand sidebar that holds your media and tools. On the left side of the screen, find the Upload button. Click it to bring in the video you want to use. You can choose a file from your computer, and it's best to select the highest quality version you have for cleaner edits. If your file is large, give it a moment to process before moving on. While you wait, it's helpful to name your clip clearly so you can spot it easily in your media panel. Once your video finishes uploading, add it to the editor. You'll see the clip appear in your media library on the left. Drag it into the timeline at the bottom or place it onto the canvas to load it into the main preview. This is where you can scrub through your footage, set your playhead, and see changes in real time. If your clip doesn't fit the canvas perfectly, adjust the canvas settings or scale the clip so it fills the frame the way you want. Now you can start editing with the available tools. Use adjustments to fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, and white balance so your colors look consistent. Apply filters to quickly set a mood or style across the whole clip. Explore effects for creative touches that can enhance motion, texture, or focus. As you work, make small changes and preview often. Subtle adjustments usually look more natural. If you need to clean up pacing, trim the edges of your clip or make simple cuts to remove unwanted sections. Keep an eye on the histogram or preview highlights to avoid overexposure, and compare before and after to ensure you're improving the image rather than pushing it too far. When you're happy, apply the edits of your choice and give your video a final watch through from start to finish. Make any last tweaks, confirm everything looks cohesive, and you're done. You've successfully edited your video in Runway ML from upload to polished result.